Introducing the Inspire Series Ft2 Pro Smith Functional Trainer by CENTR. From the engineers of the world's first selectorized Smith machine comes the newest breakthrough in home gyms, an evolution of the industry-defining Ft2. With its compact and efficient design, you can perform limitless, full-body workouts in just 4 feet of space. Our patented counterbalance Smith bar integrates into the weight stacks, so you can easily adjust your weight and safely perform an endless variety of exercises. The Smith bar's built-in safeties are your personal spotters, and the weightless bar floats out of your way when you're done with your set. With the weight multiplier, you can double the resistance on the Smith bar for plateau-proof workouts. And for maximum versatility, the Ft2 Pro features 2 adjustable wide pulleys with 40 vertical positions, 2 upper pulleys, 2 adjustable low to mid pulleys with 6 positions, and a multi-grip pull-up bar with rock climbing grips and 3 adjustable heights. Your machine comes with a full accessory kit, including a triceps rope, 6 2-ring D handles, a dual-hook straight bar and curl bar, multifunction belt, and more, which can all be stored seamlessly on the back of your machine. Plus, with 6 unique tilting shelves for dumbbells, kettlebells, and more, you can store everything you need in one machine. You can upgrade your machine with up to 100 additional pounds, and the Inspire Preacher Curl attachment or leg extension attachment for fully integrated leg workouts. Backed by our industry-leading limited lifetime warranty, you'll be set for years of reliable reps. And with a free membership to CENTR included, you get personal coaching from Chris Hemsworth's team of trainers in our app. Build your strongest self with the Inspire Series Ft2 Pro Smith Functional Trainer by CENTR, the pinnacle of fitness innovation.